My friends, I finally did it. I got myself an OLED gaming monitor. So what makes an OLED gaming monitor different from a regular OLED monitor? I have three of them right now. Why get another one? This one was designed from the ground up for gaming. My other three was designed for creative tasks, graphical design, video editing, which is what I do. Now they're amazing, but they don't have 240 hertz of motion goodness that gamers love. This monitor is the G27P6S by KTC. Now before you ask who is KTC, because I asked the same question, I will let you know that you've seen their monitors before. They are the manufacturing muscle behind top tier brands like Samsung, NEC, and ViewSonic, so they know how to make monitors. Their expertise in high quality pro grade calibrated monitors from the factory is finally showcased with their own monitor model, the G27P6S. And today we are going to go over what makes it special. To demonstrate why the G27P6S is the gaming monitor to beat, I partnered with KTC for this sponsored video. Now, let's get into the unboxing. And it is packaged very securely. It comes with these calibration reports from the factory. Yes, KTC means business. Now the G27P6S arrives with everything you need for a seamless setup. Assembly is literally a one-click attachment, and oh, this OLED monitor is light. And the stand is made of an attractive silver-colored aluminum that's light but durable. Additionally, this ergonomic stand is totally customizable with tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments. Let's start with its clean, modern design. This monitor blends effortlessly into any gaming setup or work environment, and the inputs have all the modern necessities like two HDMI ports, display port, and a USB-C display port, which I use to connect my MacBook Pro. Now let's talk about image quality. The G27P6S features a state-of-the-art QHD 1440p 240Hz native OLED panel, offering near infinite contrast with a 1.5 million to 1 ratio. Every detail comes to life, from the darkest shadows to the brightest highlights. With true 10-bit color and 97% DCI-P3 coverage, you'll experience vibrant, lifelike visuals for gaming, streaming, and even creative projects, like when I'm editing videos for you all. Let's put this KTC monitor to the test with one of the most popular games in the last year, Black Myth: Wukong, one of my favorites on the PlayStation 5 Pro. This action-packed title takes full advantage of the monitor's QHD resolution and high refresh rate, delivering smooth, responsive gameplay. But if you want to push this monitor's performance, you can. Up to 240Hz refresh rate for you crazy PC gamers out there. This combination of OLED technology and a high refresh rate means motion resolution is top-notch. Every frame is crisp, clear, giving you an edge in both visuals and reaction time. And did I mention built-in audio? Yes, this monitor has a pair of 5-watt speakers that work well enough in a pinch. Check it out as my AirPods record my gameplay on the KTC. And let's not forget ergonomics. This ergo stand tilt can be adjusted from -5 degrees to 20 degrees, rotating 15 degrees and pivoting up to 90 degrees with an elevation angle of 110 millimeters. It means ultimate flexibility regardless of your seating position. After using the KTC G27P6S OLED gaming monitor for both gaming, video editing, and whatever I want to do on my monitor, I'll be keeping this one for further testing, but yeah, I really like it. It works really well, and I love that you could tilt it up and down. It's light, you pick up the sturdy stand, walk around with it. It's the perfect size, and you may be asking, is 1440p a high enough resolution for a 27-inch monitor? Absolutely. At arm's length, it was perfect, especially the way I was playing. I wasn't like this. Now, a 32-inch monitor, sure, definitely go with 4K, but 27 inches, 1440p is the sweet spot. Plus, you're getting 240 hertz of native refresh, and that seals the deal for me. So check out KTC's latest monitor, the G27P6S, as a gateway to OLED gaming.